Welcome to Assist Knowledge Development's video on what is Agile. So what is Agile? Agile is a lightweight software development approach that evolved in the mid-1990s as a reaction against the heavyweight, waterfall-oriented methods which were criticised for being heavily regimented and overly documented. Developing software is not new. We have been doing it since the 1940s, 1950s. Over time, however, businesses have become more and more complex, and as a result, so has the software that they use and their reliance on it. Due to this, it has become increasingly difficult to deliver software today without faults either in the code through bugs or after implementation in system defects, or just not meeting the expected user needs or delivering the business benefits. In February 2001, a group of developers got together to discuss these issues. They presented their views and found common ground, which was presented as the Agile Manifesto. It is important to note that the Agile Manifesto is not a method or a process or a set of techniques. The Agile Manifesto consists of 4 key values which are underpinned by 12 core principles. The Agile Manifesto says, "We are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others to do it. Through this work, we have come to value individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan." That is, while there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. So the manifesto doesn't say don't do the things on the right, or that doing things on the right is wrong. It just says we need to focus more on the things on the left. The reason behind this is that many software projects were failing because teams were blindly following processes and plans, assuming it would achieve the end goal. So if the working software is the measure of success, rather than milestones being met through delivering documentation, then you will have greater confidence that the project will deliver the right thing. So let's explore the main facets of Agile development. Agile development today is essentially made up of 3 components. Those components are the principles. There are 12 core principles that underpin the Agile Manifesto. The techniques. These are the techniques that development teams can use to help them be more agile or adhere to the core principles. And finally, the methods and frameworks, which are the structure and governance that support and aid the software development. Some of the principles include collaborative working. The Agile Principles say that working collaboratively with the business is key to project success. In fact, it also stresses the importance of face-to-face contact between development teams and the business, as this enables trust to be built. Another principle is that working software is the principal measure of progress. Another principle is customer satisfaction by rapid delivery of useful software. With more traditional approaches to software development, the customer often had to wait until a final end-of-stage delivery, otherwise known as Big Bang, before seeing any working software. In some cases, this could be 12 months from when they originally gave their requirements. Of course, if the software then turns out not to be quite right, it is a little too late or very expensive to change. With Agile development, the customer is shown early prototypes as well as having incremental releases of the software delivered early, thus providing a platform for more detailed requirements and understanding to evolve, as well as trust being built between customer and development team. So we have discussed the 3 main components of Agile, and that is the principles, the techniques, and the methods. Applying only one of these elements is unlikely to make you agile. For example, it would be difficult to adhere to the Agile principles without following a structured method or process to aid the software development. Following an Agile process alone, without concern or understanding of the Agile values and principles, will also not make the project agile. Additionally, utilising only a few of the agile techniques does not mean you are being agile. Being agile is about adherence to the manifesto and its principles, not a specific agile process, or a specific tool, or a specific technique. Thank you for watching this What Is video.